The Nova 13 series smartphones with a unique interweaving design and fascinating features. The device brings some useful upgrades over its predecessors, such as new camera capabilities, performance boost, and more. These smartphones come packed with top-tier AI photography features and improved communication capabilities. The Nova 13 features a 6.7-inch OLED flat screen with a 2412x1084 resolution. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate, a 300Hz touch sampling rate, and 440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming for eye comfort. It delivers 1.07 billion colors and uses reinforced lithium-silicon-aluminum glass for durability. Meanwhile, the Nova 13 Pro sports a 6.76-inch OLED quad-curved screen with a 7776x1224 resolution. It shares the same 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate, but the PWM dimming frequency is upgraded to 2160Hz, ensuring a smoother visual experience. The Nova 13 Pro also features the same reinforced glass for enhanced screen protection. Both devices are powered by the Kirin 8000 chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM, LPDDR4X for the Nova 13, and LPDDR5 for the Nova 13 Pro. Both models run on the HarmonyOS 4.2 system, delivering a user-friendly interface and seamless connectivity across Huawei's ecosystem. The Nova 13 boasts a 50-megapixel RYB main sensor with dual OIS, paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide macro lens and a 2-centimeter macro lens. It also has a 60-megapixel front camera designed for stunning portrait selfies. The Pro ups the ante with a 60-megapixel front portrait camera, which includes a 5x zoom lens and QPD for precise focusing. Its rear camera setup features a 50-megapixel ultra-variable anti-shake lens, a 12-megapixel 3x telephoto portrait lens, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide macro lens. The Nova 13 Pro supports a physical variable aperture from f1.4 to f4.0, providing optimal adaptability for low-light and dynamic photography scenarios. The Nova 13 series integrate Huawei's Vinci Portrait Engine 2.0, enabling intelligent enhancements for skin tone, texture, and background bokeh effects. The devices sport AI features like AI Best Expression, AI Upscaling, AI Object Removal, and AI Smart Cutout, which take photo editing to the next level. Both the Nova 13 and Nova 13 Pro are equipped with a 5000 mAh silicon-carbon negative electrode battery that supports 100-watt turbo-fast charging. The phones can charge up to 50% in just 9 minutes, providing convenience for users on the go. The series includes under-screen fingerprint sensors, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, and stereo speakers. It also supports BeiDou satellite communication, including the capability to send satellite text and picture messages, which ensures better communication in weak or congested signal environments. The Pro weighs 209 grams. It's IP65 rated for dust and splash resistance. The rest of the specs are identical to the non-Pro Nova 13. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.